Okay, so what does a turtle floating through space have in common with the new Light Elegance Cowgirl Country collection? Well, they both include every single color from the collection. Don't believe me? Well, just keep watching. Hello, nail friend! I am so happy to have you here. Hope you are having a wonderful day. Let's do some nail art and let's work with the new fantastic Light Elegance collection for spring 2021. And for this collection, I had a goal, and that was to include every single color. And I did that. So that is what I'm gonna show you. So first off, I needed to decide what base I wanted to use. And I was going through the colors and I was thinking, should I use any of these colors maybe, or should I pick something else? So after a while, I decided that I probably should use a black background because then the colors will pop more since we're gonna use like the dotting technique. And I didn't want to settle with just like a plain black. I wanted to add something a little bit more magical. So I went to my drawer and I found Kiss of Death. Yes, and it was the most perfect galaxy background to use. So that is what we are painting on top of right now. So starting off with a black base and then adding this amazing Kiss of Death color on top, it just makes it pop so much. So before going in with the colors, I just make sure that I have a flat and nice and clean surface. And so I buffed it, and then you just start to paint. And I was using the white gel paint for the shape of my little galaxy floating turtle. And then you just basically start to dot away. And I'm using, of course, the Light Elegance dotting tools. I'm using the number 1 and number 2, and of course using my fantastic nail art brushes for some lines and stuff like that. And here, well, this is the beauty of this technique. This is a version of a mandala actually. So you just go in and you add shapes, you add dots, and you kind of build from the center and work your way out. And this is a fantastic way to kind of just get in your zone, get those creative juices flowing, and just shut the entire world outside. So yeah, it does have the same type of effect that you would have if you were drawing a mandala. So it's both pretty, but also very relaxing. Another reason why I was looking for a design that included all the colors is also to show you that Light Elegance, they put a lot of time and effort into designing a collection that will work together. So if you are unsure on how to mix and match colors, when you get a collection like this, they pretty much just did all the work for you. So you can't really go wrong. I mean, look how beautiful these colors look together. And it's funny because it is a spring collection and you can get it very springy and, you know, get those vibes. But when you put it in a design like this, you can get a completely different look and feeling from it. So I would say this collection is definitely in my top favorites right now. I love the turquoise. I would say I love them all, but like, oh, and just I would say I love the mix of them. And I had so much fun using all the colors together because they do go so well together. And I don't know if you noticed, but I actually added another little buttercream into this design, and that is Wanna Be My Tarzan, one of my favorites. Oh, so pretty. It's just a really nice creamy off-white, so I wanted to add a little bit of that into the design, because if I add too much white into the design itself, it kind of takes away the focus of the lines that I did for the turtle, so that's why I wanted to have like an off-white with the dots inside. So going in with flat matte, and I say this so often, please try to go in with a matte surface when you do your nail art. It just makes it look so much more beautiful and cohesive, and it just brings everything together. And oh my god, can you look at the shimmer with the background together with all these amazing colors? I am in love with this set. I think it looks so cute, it's magical, and I had a lot of fun creating this. And once again, I have to tell you that I love this collection so much. The Cowgirl Country collection is out now, and you can find it at lightelegance.com or through your local Light Elegance distributor. And as a little bonus, I just want to make sure that you know that I created this set for you. It is up on the Light Elegance Facebook page. I did a live last week, and if you want to learn how to do this, please go ahead and check that out. Thank you so much for watching. Love you. Bye.